welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new contender. We are installing this Borla Atak on the GR Corolla. This one has the, it's like a matte black tip. I'm gonna show you guys that in just a second. It also is available in chrome. It's also available in like a carbon fiber, like you guys have maybe seen on our channel before with the Supra videos we've done for Borla. Kalani was nice enough to drop his car off. We've been doing a lot of different things to it. He's got some nice wheels on it. So we're gonna install this and we're gonna get you guys some sound clips. So guys, with Borla, they're always including a hat, which is super cool. You got the full instructions here, detailed stuff. There's extra hardware enclosed, and they do a good job packing this. It is just a raw steel, if you will. They're not gonna really polish this up too much. They have some cool technology with these though. They have a floating gasket design. This will slide up and match up to the front. Super easy. It's just a flared design. It's pretty common in a lot of cars. All right, guys, this is the polyphonic harmonizer from Borla Atak. Borla Atak is a very special design that they've come up with. It has to do with this and the way it actually controls the flow of the exhaust going through. So guys, like I said earlier, this is gonna just lock up in here. The bolts are gonna go through to the OEM piece, and it's just gonna get a nice tight fitment on that factory gasket. The Borla system is actually gonna utilize this valve, the factory valve. So we're gonna take this off, we're just gonna mount it onto the piece. It's gonna act just like stock. What do you think?
I'm in love, dude. Thank you, Borla. Thank you, Speed Industries.
You like it's nice and deep. It's clean, right?
It's very clean. It's almost like when Simba learned how to roar.